You will love my famous collagen matcha latte recipe, which I'm going to share in just a few seconds. It is amazing either hot or, as I show you here, it's going to be cold. And we know that matcha is made from the buds of the top 3 layers of the young and shade-grown tea plants with the scientific name Camellia sinensis. So that very special portion of the green tea plant is where we get that high concentration of the antioxidants, the catechins, as well as a little bit of caffeine. Of course, there's chlorophyll, that's what makes it green, and theanine as well. Okay, let's take a look at how we make this delicious collagen matcha latte. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with matcha powder, which of course has all those benefits, those antioxidants that we talked about, and of course a scoop of the VitaTree collagen. So we thank our sponsors at VitaTree for supporting this channel and making this whole event possible in the first place. Okay, then we're adding in just a little bit of hot water, and that's just really to blend out the collagen and your green tea. And if you have one of those fancy whisker things, those frother, I guess it's called a frother, you can definitely froth this. And for me, if mine's a little bit clumpy, it doesn't really bother me. But yeah, if you really want to go the extra mile and use the frother for this part of the matcha, you can definitely do that. But this is amazing. Now, the other thing that you can add here, which is totally up to you, is a little bit of sweetener. So I like either stevia or monk fruit sweetener. And this is something that you can add into there as well. And then we are mixing, mixing, mixing. How many of you love green tea? I don't know. How many people love a matcha latte and you just go and order it? And of course, this is ice, so you can do this hot as well. So you would just add in some more hot water. But then I've got my ice, and I'm using the almond milk that I like. So either you make your own almond milk, you can use grass-fed milk, whatever you like. That's totally up to you. And I just pour that over my ice, because remember, this is the iced version. But then all you're doing is now pouring your matcha over that. And we can see that beautiful green color. Remember the chlorophyll, the catechins that are in there, absolutely delicious. You can mix that up, stir it up a little bit, and there you go. I was so looking for, I didn't even have my coffee today. I was so looking forward to having my matcha latte, and it's so yummy, yay! So I want you to mix that up. Let's go and take a look at the recipe really quickly. As you're screenshotting this, I'm going to enjoy my collagen matcha latte. There's the recipe, super, super simple. There you go. Take a screenshot of that really quickly so that you've got it as I drink. So I hope you make that recipe as soon as possible. You're absolutely going to love it. Let me know how it goes and how you love it in the comments. For more information on the benefits of tea, check out my video, Scientific Benefits of Tea. I'll see you there.